In today's tech-driven world, even our kitchen appliances are getting smarter. Enter the Ninja SP351 Foodi Smart 13-in-1 dual heat air fry countertop oven. This innovative appliance combines powerful functionalities with smart features, aiming to revolutionize your home cooking experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's delve deeper into the features of the Ninja SP351 and see if it's the perfect addition to your smart kitchen. Dual heat technology, the secret to restaurant-worthy searing and crisping. Similar to its predecessor, the SP301, the SP351 boasts impressive dual heat technology. This technology utilizes two powerful heating elements. Up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit directly heated sear plate. This functions like a cast iron skillet, providing intense and even heat for searing meats and locking in juices. Up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit rapid cyclonic air. This powerful air circulation system delivers exceptional crispness, perfect for achieving golden brown exteriors on French fries, vegetables, and more. The beauty of dual heat technology lies in its ability to work simultaneously. This allows you to sear and crisp food at the same time, resulting in restaurant-quality dishes that are both flavorful and visually appealing. Imagine achieving that perfect sear on a juicy steak or replicating the crispy crust of a restaurant pizza all within your kitchen. 13-in-1 versatility with smart cooking assistance. The Ninja SP351 goes beyond just air frying. It offers an impressive 13 functions, making it a true kitchen multi-tool. Air fry. Enjoy crispy and delicious air-fried food with minimal oil, perfect for healthier versions of your favorite fried dishes. Sear Crisp. Utilize dual heat technology to achieve restaurant-worthy sears and crispy results. Rapid Bake. Bake cookies, cakes, and other treats with faster cooking times. Frozen Pizza. Perfectly cook frozen pizzas with crispy crusts and melted cheese. Fresh Pizza. Craft and bake homemade pizzas with ease. Griddle. Sear, sizzle, and cook a variety of foods on the included sear plate, just like a griddle. Air Roast. Roast vegetables and meats to juicy perfection using the rapid cyclonic air circulation. Bake. Bake a variety of dishes, from casseroles to breads, using the traditional baking function. Broil. Achieve a beautiful sear and caramelization on meats and vegetables. Toast. Toast bread to your desired level of browning with ease. Bagel. Toast the inside and gently warm the outside of your bagels for the ideal breakfast experience. Dehydrate. Preserve fruits, vegetables, and herbs for a healthy and long-lasting snack option. Reheat. Reheat leftovers with minimal drying out, keeping them moist and flavorful. But where the SP351 takes things a step further is with its smart features. The integrated Foodi Smart Thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. Simply insert the thermometer into your meat, select the desired doneness from rare to well done on the digital display, and the oven will automatically adjust the cooking time and temperature to achieve perfect results. Healthy cooking with faster cooking times and XL capacity, looking to indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt. The Ninja SP351 air fry function allows you to enjoy up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying. This means you can savor crispy and delicious food without compromising your health goals. The SP351 prioritizes speed alongside convenience. It boasts up to 65% faster cooking compared to a full-size electric oven. Additionally, the air oven functions preheat within 60 seconds, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. When it comes to capacity, the Ninja SP351 offers increased height capacity compared to previous models. This allows you to air fry or roast up to 4 pounds of ingredients, perfect for feeding a family. Additionally, it can accommodate a 2 lb roast or fit up to 6 chicken breasts, making it ideal for preparing larger dishes. Space-saving design with flip-up feature. Living in a small apartment? The Ninja SP351 has you covered. This countertop oven features the same space-saving flip-up and away capability. When not in use, you can simply flip the oven upright, reclaiming valuable counter space. The verdict: the Ninja SP351 Foodi Smart 13-in-1 dual heat air fry countertop oven is a compelling option for those seeking a feature-packed and powerful smart kitchen appliance. With its dual heat technology, 13-in-1 functionality with smart cooking assistance, and increased capacity, the Ninja SP351 allows you to cook restaurant-quality dishes, healthier versions of your favorite fried foods, and a variety of other meals with ease. The faster cooking times and space-saving design make it a perfect fit for busy cooks in smaller kitchens. While the price tag might be on the higher end compared to basic air fryers, the versatility, performance, and smart features it offers justify the investment for those seeking a truly innovative and all-in-one kitchen solution. If you're looking for a smart air fryer that can sear, crisp, roast, bake, and more, all with the added benefit of precise temperature control and doneness settings, the Ninja SP351 Foodi Smart is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.